front of me is Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer here. So first of all, just open your camera app, then when you're in photo mode, tap on more icon, and here you've got the timer options. So you can apply 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. Let me go with 5 seconds, and as you can see, now you can grab a photo with 5 seconds delay. Here you've got the countdown, and after that the picture would be taken. To switch the timer off, you need to access the same options again and smoothly tap on this first icon. Now the picture will be grabbed right after you click. So this is it. This is how you can set and use camera timer, also how you can switch it off. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.